Welcome to Tonbridge Castle, one of Kent's finest examples of a Norman Motte and Bailey gatehouse fortress. Standing tall and proud for nearly 1,000 years, these ancient stone walls have witnessed centuries of English history, royal visits, and dramatic sieges. Let's take a peaceful cinematic flight to explore this remarkable piece of heritage from a unique aerial view. The heart of the castle is its magnificent gatehouse, completed around 1260 after a massive rebuild. It is widely considered by historians to be one of the best surviving structures of its kind in the entire United Kingdom. From this high perspective, you can appreciate the sheer scale of the medieval engineering and the thick defensive walls designed to keep invaders away. Nestled beautifully along the River Medway, Tonbridge Castle perfectly connects the rich history of the past with the vibrant green landscapes of modern Kent. The smooth orbit shots capture how this ancient fortress still dominates the local skyline, standing as a timeless guardian of the town. Thank you for joining this aerial journey. If you enjoyed this cinematic experience, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to XIII-wieczną for more premium drone content. Until next time, fly safe.